In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create histograms and box plots using Plotly. So what you want to do is you want to go to the website plot.ly, and what you'll get is you'll get this page right here. Now in order to do anything here, we have to sign in. So we're going to click sign in. It's going to take you to this page, and then it's going to either say log in or sign up. And what we can do is we can log in with Facebook, Twitter, or Google. And so I'm going to click on Google, and since we're signed in under Google through allemanhighschool.org, it's going to load up what we have. And so it should say your name in the upper right hand corner. And so now what I have is I have over here a set of data that I want to plot with a histogram and with box plots. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit create. I'm going to create a new chart. And so what I'm going to do is I've got this little spreadsheet right here, and so I'm going to fill in all of these values. So now as I do this, nothing's going to happen yet because I haven't told this program what to do with the data. So some people are expecting a graph to magically appear as I type this. And unfortunately I can't because there's nothing here just yet. So 223, 187, 371, 419, 296, 298, 258, and then an asterisk. All right. So with this column of data, I can produce, if I go over here to statistics, I can create a histogram. Now, it hasn't shown anything yet because I have to tell it what the values are. So the values are in A. So as I adjust my window, there it is. So there's my data right there. Now down here I can use these arrows to move it sideways, and in some cases I can actually compress it or make it wider. I can also select and only look at part of the data like that, and so that narrows down my histogram. But I can also readjust and bring it right back to where it is. So up here I can write passing yards for Drew Brees. Down here I can write passing yards. Okay. Alright. Now what I can also do is I can very quickly change this into a box plot. I can go back up to histogram and just switch to box plot, and boom, there we go. So now we're looking at a box plot at the same time, and as I click on it, it shows all the 5 number summaries for this. So it's very handy, very easy to switch back and forth between one and the other. Now another useful thing is that it can graph multiple stem and leaf plots, or box plots or histograms at the same time. So what I need to do is I need to type in this second column of data, and by doing that I'll be able to compare these two sets of data, these two quarterbacks, to see who seemed to pass more. 308, 192, 95. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to switch this to a box plot, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new trace to this. So I'm going to add a second box plot, but my X data is going to be B. There we go. So now, here is passing yards for Drew Brees versus Manning. And notice that this one automatically gives you any outliers there that are here. So that means down here for this first set of data there were no outliers to begin with. And if I want to, I can easily switch over these to histograms, and you can see how it overlays a histogram on top of a box plot. This can do that just fine. So now this is a little harder to see when you've got two histograms laid on top of each other, but you can do it this way. And then one other thing you can also do is then you can take these images and then copy them and then paste them into Google Documents for your report. So I hope this helps.